Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Standard 10th State Board subject Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras or Baudhayana. Pythagoras is referred as Baudhayana theorem, another name of Pythagoras, right? What it says, the statement already you have learnt about it in the notation, that is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. How you are getting AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, that we are going to prove now, right? Now you see, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. What Pythagoras says, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the square of the other two sides, right? Given proof we are going to do, right? Proof given ABC is a right angle triangle right angled at B. That means angle B equal to 90 degree. Angle B equal to 90 degree. What we want to prove? To prove AC square, that is square of the hypotenuse, opposite to 90 is hypotenuse, right? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. One more thing, which alphabet is repeated in the right side, that alphabet will give you 90 degree, that you keep it in your mind children, right? Which alphabet is repeated in the right side, that it gives you 90 degree in the right triangle. Now you see, construction. BD perpendicular to AC. BD perpendicular to AC. Now we are going to take two triangles, that is small triangle and the bigger triangle. You want to say the similarity. Using the similarity only we are going to arrive this result, right? Listen carefully children. Triangle, consider triangle ADC and triangle ABC. ADC and ABC. Angle A is common. Angle A is common. Then one more thing, what it is? Angle ABC equal to, that is angle ADC, sorry ADB. Triangle ADB and triangle ABC. Angle A is common. Angle ADB equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degree, right? ADB, that is D is perpendicular, we said BD is perpendicular AC, that's why angle D equal to 90 degree. Here already it is given as angle B equal to 90 degree. By AA similarity, by AA similarity, triangle ADB similar to triangle ABC, right? Once if you said the triangles are similar, what is the next condition? Corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. We are going to use corresponding sides are proportional. Using that only we are going to prove this result, right? So AD, how I am moving here, the same way I should move it in the next triangle also. Move towards right, here also move towards right, right? AD divided by AB equal to AB divided by AC. which I want, that alone I picked up, right? Now you have to cross multiply. Here you have to write corresponding sides are proportional. Now AB square equal to AC into AD, that is equation number 1. Now we pass on to the next triangle BDC and ABC. Consider triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Here which is common? Angle C is common, right? Which is common? Angle C is common. Then angle BDC equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degree. How you arrived this? Angle ABC, it is given as 90 degree. We constructed BD is perpendicular to AC, that's why angle D equal to 90 degree. That's why we wrote BDC equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degree by AA similarity triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC. Triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC. If you said these two triangles are similar, you can use the condition as corresponding sides are proportional, right? See here, DC divided by BC equal to BC divided by AC. BC divided by AC. Corresponding sides are proportional. The reason you have to write it in the right side, children. Now we have to cross multiply. BC square equal to AC into DC, that is equation number 2. Now you add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. The left hand side what we had in the equation number 1, AB square. Here also BC square. AB square plus BC square equal to AC into AD, AC into AD plus AC into DC. Which is common here? AC is common. Then the rest of the thing you should write it inside the bracket, that is AD plus DC. Now you come to the diagram. AD plus DC, what it represents? AC. AC into AC. AC square, right? Now we proved the Pythagoras theorem, right? What we want to prove? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, hence proved. First, which two triangles you took? ADB and ABC. You said these two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional, so we got the result as AB square equal to AC into AD. Next triangle BDC and ABC. Right, here angle C is common, this angle BDC equal to angle ABC equal to 90 degree. That's why using AA similarity, we got it as BC square equal to AC into DC. When you add these two equations, we arrive the result what we want to prove. Got it, children? Exercise 4.3, question number 1. A man goes 18 meter due east. A man goes 18 meter east. And then 24 meter due north, right? Find the distance of his current position from the starting position, right? Starting position is O, current position is B. When you connect, you will get it as a right triangle. What we learned the theorem, Pythagoras is going to help you to find the answer, right? What it says, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, right? Here angle A is 90 degree, AB the measurement is given as 24 meter. They are asking to find the distance from the starting point to the current position, right? By Pythagoras, or another one name I said Baudhiyana, right? By Pythagoras, triangle OAB, angle A equal to 90 degree, right? When we can use Pythagoras? If the triangle is a right triangle, right? Right triangle means one angle should be 90 degree. That is the meaning. Now, OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. What is OA? 18 meter due east. It is east direction, north direction, west, south. OA 18 square plus 24 square. What is 18 square? 18 into 18, 324. Plus 24 into 24. If you have a doubt, better you have to multiply and see, right? 24 into 24, that is 576. 16, remaining 1, 8, 9, 8, 4. So 576. The same way, if you want 18 into 18, you have to multiply and see. 64, 6, 8, 144, 8, 1, 324, right? 18 square is 324, 24 square is 576. When you add, what can you get? 0. Then 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Remaining 1, 900, right? OB square equal to 900. OB square equal to 900. What is OB? OB equal to plus or minus 30. The distance cannot be negative. The distance cannot be negative. That means OB equal to 30 meter. What they are asking, the distance of his current position from the starting point is 30 meter, right? The distance of his current position is B, starting point is O, right? Current position from the starting point equal to 30 meter. Got it, children? Question number 2. There are two paths that one can choose to go from Shark House to James House. One way is to take C Street, that is direct, and the other way requires to take A Street and then B Street. how much shorter is the direct path along C Street using the diagram. Diagram is given. This is Shark House, James House, right? Now when you connect, you will get it as a hypotenuse. From the Shark House to that end, O, origin, right? That is perpendicular, that it represents B Street. The distance is 1.5 miles. From O to James House, 2 miles. Got it, children? Now using the Pythagoras, if it is a right triangle, you can use Pythagoras, right? In triangle JOS, James House, it's a origin point, it's a Shark House, right? Triangle O equal to 90 degree by Pythagoras. What Pythagoras says? The square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So, which is your hypotenuse here? JS. JS square equal to JO square plus OS square, right? What is JO square is given? 2 miles. So, 2 square plus what is OS? 1.5 the whole square. Now, 4 plus, see here 1.5. If the number is multiplied by itself, if the number ends with 5, the rule is there. See 15, 15. You can multiply 5 5s are 25. What is the next number of 1? 2. So 1 into 2, 2. A number multiplied by itself, that too it should end with 5. You can apply this format, right? One more example I will give you. 25, 25. 5 5s are 25. What is the next number of 2? 3. 2 3s are 6, right? Now, 1.5 the whole square, that means 225. Here after the decimal point, 1 digit is there. If you multiply, where you have to place the decimal? 2 numbers, right? So, you should move towards right to left. 1, 2, your answer is 2.25. 2.25, which is equal to 6.25, right? JS equal to plus or minus. See here 625, here also you arrived at 6.25. That means you can place the decimal after 1 digit, right? That is 2.5. 2.5. When you multiply 2.5 into 2.5, you will get it as 6.25. This is a shortcut method to multiply the numbers, right? So, what is the direct path? That is James House to Shark House. Direct way is 2.5, right? Direct path is 2.5 miles. But what they are asking, how much shorter is the direct path along C Street, right? You are moving towards B Street and the A Street, then you arrived at James House. Shark House to B using B Street and A Street. That means, see here, SO plus JO equal to, SO means we are using B Street, JO means you are using A Street. J 1.5 plus 2, which is equal to 3.5 miles. When you use the another way, you are reaching Shark House to the James House is 3.5 meter. But in the question what they ask, how much shorter is the direct path, right? The required answer is the required equal to 3.5 minus 2.5, which is equal to 1, right? 1 miles. This is also miles. miles. Got it, children? The direct is 2.5. When you are moving from Shahrukh house to this point 1.5, then this point to the James house 2 miles, right? Shahrukh house, move towards O and O to J, you are getting another way is 3.5 miles. They are expecting the shorter is the direct path. How much shorter is the direct path along C Street? 1 miles, right? 1 mile. The shorter is the direct. How much? So 1 mile. 1 miles is the shorter direct path along C Street. Shorter along C Street. 1 mile is the shorter to reach the direct path along Sorry children, you should include this, right? Or you can end up with 1 mile is the shorter to reach C Street directly, right? 1 mile is the shorter to reach C Street directly. Got it, children? They are asking how much shorter, that is 1 mile. Got it? To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.